One of the great advantages to having a business is being able to use it with tax deductions. Okay, what is a tax deduction? It makes it where you are not paying taxes on that amount. So if you have $10,000 of tax deductions, you don't make $10,000 more, get to keep $10,000 more, you would not pay taxes as income on that $10,000. Nonetheless, over a year and over years, it can have a huge impact on how much money you keep. Before we jump right into the 10 types of tax deductions, I want to talk about LLCs and S corporations real quick. Your LLC is the type of entity you have. And that you could be an LLC, you could be a corporation, you could be a sole proprietor, you could be a partnership. The S Corp actually refers to a type of filing with the IRS. It's an S election, subchapter S. It is not a corporation, it's electing to be taxed as an S. So you could be an LLC and an S. First one, business meals. So if you're taking a client out, that is a 50% of what you spend, you can take a deduction on that. Number two, if you are paying for business insurance, this is an important one. Any insurance you pay, that is a deduction. Third, this one's huge, obviously, advertising and marketing, any sorts of marketing, and that will be a deduction, 100% deduction. The use of your car, everyone knows you can use this. That's proportional to how much you use it for business, and there's a couple different options there. You can deduct 100% of your business use of your car. Next one is education. So I'm a lawyer, we have to do CLEs, continuing legal education, to keep our license. You know, you can go to a conference, you can just be seeking out education, and it is a deduction. Your legal fees. So if you hire me as your lawyer, that is a deduction. If you use draftedlegal.com, you can deduct that getting your LLC on that website or getting the templates from there. You can deduct that. Your rent, a lot of people now are trying to work from home, say it's a side business, but you can deduct your rent if you have to go you might even do co-working space, a couple $100s a month, but whatever it is, make sure that you are deducting it. All right, your phone and internet. This is obviously a business expense and it is deductible. If whatever you're paying, you know, particularly let's say you have a physical office space, then you have rent, phone, internet. All that is a deduction. Similar one is a home office. The home office, you really want to look up those rules, but it has to be exclusively used as your business, but then you can take a massive deduction for the proportional use of a lot of things in your home. And then number 10 would just be office supplies and expenses. Whatever it is you use in your office to run your business can be an office expense. Okay, those are our 10 things to keep on your radar that you can deduct for your LLC. I want you to make sure you have an LLC. Again, you can use Drafted Legal, it gets filed within 7 days, but get an LLC, get a separate bank account that you exclusively use for your business, and get your bookkeeping done. And then take it to an accountant and maximize those deductions. Good luck.